Nice sound of solar powered air conditioning. They're doing well on solar today, look. Just another day on the farm. The air conditioning systems that you see in the video were primarily for experimental use. We had our main household air conditioning system broke down, and I was looking into $10,000 replacement for a whole house air conditioning unit. So in the interim, while we were shopping around, we basically bought these units. There are better options. You could have, ductless air conditioning units. They're nicer, they're quieter, they're a little bit more expensive, and there were also options out there that had hybrid solar systems, which you plug your solar panels directly into, and then you could also plug them into a regular household outlet. However, they were a little more expensive, and I bought two of these for a little over $300, whereas one of the hybrid ductless systems was upwards of about $1,500, and then I hadn't even got it installed at that point. What was particularly interesting about this unit was I've got a tab open here that shows you the actual voltage of this, the power draw on it. So for instance, we could run one of these for 10 hours in a day, and we'd only use about 4.5 kilowatts. So if the sun was out for 6 hours, and we could easily run this thing during daytime hours. Now, the fact that these are a little noisier for use, generally Windows installed air conditioning units are usually a little bit noisier. They're not always as efficient. But these were cheap, so that was the trade-off, and that's why I bought them. There are other offerings on Amazon for air conditioning units. So Amazon has their own basics, 5,000 BTU at 143.10. The time I'm recording this video is May 2026, and then you can see the Midea 5,000 BTU there in that list again. They've got a Frigidaire at 169. I went with the mechanical ones because there's a little less to go wrong with them, is what my thinking was, and of course I was just buying them cheap. You can also buy them at Walmart. If you want something straight away, then these are some of the options at Walmart as I record this video. So the Midea one that they have available there is $156, and you'll see some other options in there as well.